Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your second monitor to the top, or let's say one monitor on top, one monitor below on Windows 11. So if you have, for example, a big screen monitor and you have it on top and you have your laptop below and you want to, let's say, move your mouse upwards to be able to go up onto that second monitor, that's a brilliant way how to set it from the top down. So how to do that? Right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and you want to go ahead and click on display setting. And guys, if you find this useful, I really appreciate if you give this video a like, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now, I recommend that you first ensure that you're able to see the second monitor. And if you're not able to see it, you can go ahead and switch this, because sometimes it is showing like only one, or it's showing that monitors are duplicated or whatever it is. And so you want to ensure that you choose to extend these displays. When you extend these display, when you choose the option to extend this display, it simply means that both monitors will show different things. And so you can have one monitor showing something else and other monitor will be showing something else, right? Now, once you have that all set, you will also ensure that you choose which monitor is your default. So if you want to make your default or your primary monitor be your larger screen, then you will be able to choose that option. As you can see, number one is currently set as my primary monitor. As you can see, it says make this my main, but if I click and select the second one, I can now set it as well. You see the button is available for me to make this my primary monitor. So once you decide how you want to set those up, then you can select what you want to be your primary monitor. I like to keep the one closest to me, which is in my case my laptop, which is number one. I can choose that one to set as my primary. Now you hear me speaking about number one and two. Let's say you don't know which one is number one or number two. You can click on identify and you will see which number shows up on which monitor, and that's going to allow you to identify what is what. Now, how do you go ahead and move your monitors top down? All you have to do is click on, for example, the number two, and you want to move it to the top of your monitor, of your second monitor. As you can see, number two, I move it above number one, and it's just about clicking and dragging it to the top or above. Once you do that, you will see that it falls right into place and it now shows the larger monitor above. And all I have to do now is click and apply. And so once I apply this, I can now move my mouse. Now, if I move my mouse upwards, you can see it does not buck. It just move right over to my second screen. Now, you're not able to see my second screen, but you know that it's there. But as you can see, once I move upwards, it shows that it's going above. And when I go downwards, it will actually do the same and go all the way. And when I move it downwards, it will not go to my second screen because number one is the end. If I go upwards, number one will take me over into number two. And if I move my monitor on the top of number two, it will just buck at the top because there's no number three. And that's how I arrange it. And that's it, guys. That's how you can arrange your second monitor or your big screen monitor from top down. Very easy and very simple.